Hey guys, Gaston with Rough Country here with a 2022 Ram TRX in a beautiful metallic black. Some would say this truck is the ultimate in trucks, with opulence in the interior, performance with 702 horsepower, 605 feet-pound of torque, and just great looks with that wide stance and that supercharged 6.2 liter V8 bringing the power to the pavement. Let's take a look at it and see what we've done to make it that much better. I'm gonna be honest with you, this truck is really hard to improve on, but we did, and here's how. We went ahead and leveled out the stance with our 1.5-inch leveling kit. That way we lose that factory rake and get it exactly how we want it. We added the Fuel Rebel in bronze, which really sets that metallic black off. And around those, we've wrapped a Wild Peak AT and a 37-1250-18. We were careful not to mess with this silhouette, so we added our retract steps that tuck up under it really nice and drop down when you need them. Now the TRX is an awesome truck, but we've got parts and accessories for any truck, Jeep, SUV, or side-by-side. So be sure to check us out at roughcountry.com.